Hi friends, in this tutorial, we are going to check whether an image is generated by an AI platform or it is an original image from internet. So nowadays, since we have lot of Gen AI models like ChatGPT or image generator models, we can generate lot of images. So this model will basically help you to check whether that is a authentic image or this image is created by the AI platform. Okay, and here we are going to use the Bedrock service. If you're not aware about the Bedrock service, so Bedrock service is a offering from AWS, and what it does, it has got all the leading Gen AI foundation models. Like ChatGPT is one of the model. Amazon also has some its own Gen AI model, like foundation model. Those are called Titan models, Titan image generator and Titan text model. We will look into that. Okay, so it's a hands-on lab. So we will quickly jump to our AWS console. This is the AWS console, and you log into Bedrock. So if you see over here in the Bedrock, so the first thing is the model access. Okay, I have already access to one of the model, but whatever the model you want to access, so if you see over here, like there are 13 models from Amazon, 10 model from Anthropic, Cohere, Meta. So it has collection of most of the industry leading models. Okay, so what we are going to in our use case, we are going to generate a image from and we are going to use the Gen AI model Titan image generator. Okay, Titan image generator G1. So for this model already I have granted the access, but if you want to grant the access, what you can do, just put over here modify model, and suppose I want to get the access for the Titan image. You can see here. Okay, so you select the model and next, and your access will be available to request and your access will be granted. Once the access is granted, you can use this model here. Okay, so you can go to playgrounds and image and video, you can use this model. Okay, so select the model. Automatically, since access is granted, you can use the model over here. Apply, and here you can write the image which you want to generate. So I want to generate image, generate an image of a girl playing with dog. Okay, and run. We'll just wait for a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and let's wait for some images to be created. Okay, so here you see the images are generated. So let's choose one of the image. Okay, let me choose this one and download this image. Okay, so this image has been generated from AI. You can see over here, and I will put the image over here. Okay, I have one more image which I have just downloaded from the website. So remember, whenever any image is generated from any of the AI platform, it leaves a watermark. Okay, if that watermark, if you just look at the image, that watermark will not be visible for us. Okay, but if you provide this image to a model, the model will identify whether that watermark is present or not. Okay, so let's say test it out. Go to Bedrock model, and here you can see under the safeguards there is a functionality called watermark detection. Click over here, choose the image. Okay, and the image, this image, if you remember, we just generated from the Titan image generator model. Okay, upload the image and analyze. You see, it says watermark detected, confidence is high. So like this, if any of the image which is generated by the AI platform, you can use the watermark detection functionality from in the Bedrock and you can figure it out. But if you see over here, it will only identify the images generated by the Titan image generator model or Nova Canvas model. Okay, if any image is generated by any other AI platform, it may not be able to tell you correctly. Okay, so let's say check for another image which is generated by, which I have just downloaded from the website. Okay, so let's test it out. Upload and analyze, and you can see over here the watermark not detected. So this is one of the safeguards, and you can identify any image if they are generated by any AI platform, especially from the Titan image generator or Nova Canvas. We can identify whether they are generated by these models or whether it's a original image. So thank you. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you need any help or any support, please contact to us. Thank you.